Ever wondered how to expand your vocabulary and sound more eloquent? It's a common quest, as words are the building blocks of effective communication. A well-stocked word arsenal can help us express our thoughts more accurately and persuasively. Today, we're embarking on a lexical journey exploring 10 intriguing vocabulary words that can add a dash of sophistication to your everyday conversation. These aren't your run-of-the-mill words, oh no. These are gems waiting to be discovered. Ready to dive into a world of new words? Stay tuned. Delve into the first 5 vocabulary words of the day. Our first word is eloquent, a word often used to describe someone who is articulate and expressive in their speaking. For instance, the barrister's eloquent speech left the courtroom in awe. The term originates from the Latin eloquentia, which translates to speaking or speech. Secondly, we have ineffable. This word is used when something is so great or extreme that it cannot be expressed in words. For example, the ineffable beauty of the Grand Canyon left the tourists speechless. It is derived from the Latin ineffabilis, which means that cannot be told. Our third word is serendipity. It refers to the occurrence of the events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. For instance, finding a $100 bill on the street was pure serendipity. The word was coined by Horace Walpole in the 18th century, inspired by a Persian fairy tale about 3 princes who made discoveries by accident. Next, we have epiphany. This is a moment of sudden and great revelation or realization. For example, his epiphany came when he realized he had been pursuing the wrong career all along. It originates from the Greek epiphania, which means manifestation or appearance. Finally, we have euphoria. This word signifies a feeling of intense excitement and happiness. For example, she felt a wave of euphoria as she crossed the finish line. The term comes from the Greek euphoros, which means bearing well. Remember, understanding these words requires more than just memorization. Moving forward, here are the next 5 vocabulary words to learn. Melancholy, a noun, refers to a feeling of pensive sadness, often without an obvious cause. It's like when you're feeling blue on a rainy afternoon. Originating from the Latin word melancholia, melancholy paints a picture of deep contemplation. Our next word is nostalgia, a noun used to describe a sentimental longing or wistful affection for a period in the past. Think about the warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you reminisce about your childhood summers. This word comes to us from the Greek nostos, meaning homecoming, and algos, meaning pain or ache. Solitude is our third word, a noun that signifies the state of being alone, often by choice. Imagine sitting on a quiet beach at dawn, relishing your solitude. This word is derived from the Latin solus, meaning alone. Next on our list is paradox, a noun that refers to a seemingly absurd or self-contradictory statement that, when investigated, may prove to be true. Like the paradox that the more you learn, the more you realize how little you know. It's rooted in the Greek word paradoxos, meaning contrary to expectation. Finally, we have serenity, a noun that denotes the state of being calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Picture a serene, tranquil lake under the light of a full moon. Serenity comes from the Latin serenus, meaning clear, bright, or tranquil. Well done. You've just added 10 new words to your vocabulary. A quick recap of what we've learned today. We've delved into 10 enriching words, each with its unique meaning and application. From serendipities, delightful surprises, to quintessentials, embodiment of perfection. These words are more than just letters strung together. They encapsulate experiences, emotions, and thoughts, broadening our understanding of the world. Remember, language is a powerful tool. Keep expanding your vocabulary and make your communication more effective. Until next time, happy learning.